Hello, everyone. Michael Klein here. So, in reference to journal number 11, the video post, looking ahead as a leader, my biggest question as of right now is how do you find the time to meet all essential standards for being a school executive? And it blows my mind, boggles my mind because the majority of my time has been spent with being a managerial leader and as far as disciplinary or being the disciplinarian at the school for especially the seventh grade that I oversee with Dr. Massey. So much of our time is, classroom visits, looking at, bus discipline, looking at classroom write-ups through ECATs, and it's just constant or just basic duties, right? Breakfast duty, lunch duty, and then at the end of the day, carpool duty. And it's just in that time between, how do I manage my time so I can be in that classroom more, so I can actually get into that classroom and be that instructional leader or even human resource leader. I want to really focus on those two standards more. That was my focus on journal number 10 is on how to be more of that instructional leader, be seen as that other than just being as that disciplinarian at the school, especially in regards to our seventh graders who are extremely needy this academic school year, more so in the past. And we did, we're spending so much time with restorative circles in the classrooms, which is great, and I absolutely love it. But I also want the students and the teachers to be able to see me as that go-to person to help them in the classroom with their instruction. So I'm definitely open to any and all suggestions on what you do or what you've learned as far as managing your time to set aside that time to be in those classrooms more to be seen as that instructional leader, especially for the our colleagues who are already in the administrative position. I'm definitely curious to see how you're doing it. So my school, just a little background, we are a Title One school, so we're a very high need school with our students. In our seventh grade alone, it just trumps the eighth grade and the sixth grade when it comes to needs of our students. So any insight that you have, I truly would appreciate, just so I can better manage my time. So again, I can be seen as that instructional leader. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing back from all of you. I hope you are all doing great and preparing for Thanksgiving. Take care.